Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Zoom application on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Zoom application on your PC, firstly open your Google search. On the search box, type in Zoom download and make a search. Click on the first link shown on the page. On the next page, tap on download option. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After downloading the application, open your file manager and launch the application by installing it. This is how you can download your Zoom application on your PC quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.